out here. That's an open song too. Every town I go, they got a street, y'all. Yeah. You know the name of the street, y'all. The funky, funky, funky Broadway. The funky, funky Broadway. The funky, funky Broadway. Oh, mercy. You know what? You know, you're dangerous. You are dangerous. I'm not as afraid of my wife as I am of you. Yeah. What'd you say, honey? I'll give you a hug, but I can't go all the way. So, ladies, I want you to find some guy or somebody of your choice. Oh, wait a minute, somebody took the tip basket. It wasn't me. If somebody's passing around the tip bucket, will they please slowly but surely pass it back up here? Lady wanted to give me some money and now she took her money back. Okay. For those of you, don't get nervous because we have the tip bucket coming around, and we do have brand new CDs. I just recorded them. I recorded them not in Texas, not in California. I recorded them in a place called Udabro.